Hey, what's going on? If you own a power washing business and you are trying to grow and scale it, then you are in the right place. And what I want to actually cover in this video is the purpose of this channel, why I created it, and a little bit of my background. So about 12 months ago, I think it was now, I started helping power washing business owners one-on-one, mainly with, generating more leads and ultimately growing their company. A lot of people want to hit that six-figure mark, and I was actually able to do that in my power washing company in the first 12 months, and I was actually part-time at that time. So, I've been there and then continued to grow that company for 5 more years. So, have a little bit of experience, and I've been able to help others. We created a Facebook group and help people in that. It's got like 8,000 members at this point. But I wanted to create this as well to just give more value and content to people on YouTube watching these videos. So again, the purpose of this channel is to help you, give you, real world tips from my experiences and from speaking with others in the industry about how you can actually grow your company, how you can get more leads. After talking to thousands of power washing business owners, it's 79.8% of them, based on our surveys, that struggle to generate leads consistently. So that's a big topic we'll cover, is a lot about marketing, generating leads, because, in the beginning stages, before you hit especially that six-figure mark per year, the biggest thing is just letting people know about your services, right? And marketing and generating leads. Once you get a little bigger, you start to get repeat work. You start to get, real word of mouth, not just like you clean one job and that one job tells their neighbor and now you have 2 total jobs. Like real word of mouth, where you kind of have a little brand built in your service area, right? So in the beginning, it's a lot about marketing and generating leads effectively, because you don't want to waste money in the beginning trying to market. And you also have to be very creative so that you can position your company as one that is a better choice than some of the others in your area, and also to stand out from the thousands of ads consumers see every day. So that's the purpose of this channel. If you do own a power washing business and maybe you're not at that six-figure mark, or you just crossed it, or maybe you've hit a plateau and you still want to grow it, please do subscribe, because we'll be dropping a bunch of videos that help you do just that. So other than that, if you have any videos you want to see, you have specific questions, whatever that may be, let me know in the comments, and I will I'll make some videos about that. We'll pick some of those comments that have great questions and make some videos regarding that, and that way we can answer your questions. But the whole purpose of this is to provide value to you, so I hope it does just that. If it does, please like this video, please like all the videos, and subscribe so that you can see future videos. But that is all I have for now, so I will see you in the next video.